Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Activist Comrade Stanley Sazos Aquino Wooding, the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stanley Sadi Enterprise, in fact the CEO of Oman Edo State. Please share this video. Share this video. If we cannot hold our politicians accountable now, we all will collectively regret in the future. This is a follow-up video in respect to the video I made this morning concerning one dishonorable Judy Seide, member representing Ikpuba and Ego Federal Constituency in the Harlow Chambers. I made a video about him this morning when I saw some persons talking about one so-called street light armed with pole, and I told them, is this what dishonorable Jude have done? They said yes. I said, oh God. Unfortunately, this street light they are talking about was single-handedly done by our brothers and sisters in the diaspora who are not receiving a dime from government coffer. The likes of Lampton did, the likes of Ambassador Dion Usagi, and many, even Obus, Bobby Oba William Obus, did some in his territory. This light, we have a right to appreciate those private individuals who did on their own, but certainly not a man who is spending government money to get such light. When you buy 4, they give you 1 free. When you get 4 of those lights, they give you 1 free. Everybody is seeing the advert of social media. I am not even in the best position to tell you this. So I came out this morning to state categorically clear that we are dissatisfied with the activities of dishonorable Judy Seide. The truth of the matter is very simple. Dishonorable Judy Seide is from Ward 2, Ikpuba local government area of Edo State. His village is Oregbeni. I am from Ward 2, Ikpuba local government area of Edo State. That is my primary constituency. In fact, when Jude attend ward meeting of the People Democratic Party that I belong to, we see ourselves in the meeting. That's to tell you the level at which we can interact. He is a member of PDP and I am a member of PDP. But party, it is beyond party activity. Jude is dishonorable. He's a man that cannot really represent the interest of the Aminu Kano Talakawas. In fact, he's a mistake in himself. I actually advised this morning that you cannot receive 100 naira for an example. You are spending 1 naira for the overall population while you are keeping 90 naira for yourself and using 10 naira to satisfy your friends. Some person said he bought Benz and 1 Sienna as a constituency project. To who? To his friends and cronies who supported him? Let's be sincere to ourselves. I have never supported Jude, and I will not. I have never supported him before, and I will not, because I know him. There is no single transformer tied to his name as a member representing Ego Ikpuba Federal Constituency. In fact, those who worked for him during the elections, he jettisoned 90% of them. He threw them into the trash can of history. Those who worked for him against our candidates in the past are not crying here and there. I told them, beyond candidature, beyond the candidate you support, we know Jude. Jude was the first member of Edo State House of Assembly. He was one of the members of Edo State House of Assembly. Because of money as a day, he took a decision that affected the overall interest of the people. And as of today, he found himself in the House of Reps. He wants to continue in that regard. For how long shall we continue to live in a full paradise where sycophants celebrate mediocrity? Instead of dishonorable Jude to listen to that video and use it as a basis to modulate his activity, he is now commissioning social media urchins to come out online and to begin to make comments in any of my videos. You can see now their representation is reflecting on Twitter handle. I told him, I said on the video, I am going to engage you, and I have really started. I have started. Continue to commission them, let them come out, and let them come and tell us what you have done. You are teaching people how to do tsunami art, tie and dye, basu, fila onge. You are keeping the money. Then you will tell people, we now give them a startup package. What is your startup package? Which startup package are you giving to the people of the constituency? We want to know. How many town hall meetings have been held by Honorable Jude? We want to know. Are we going to continue like this and allow these people keep public money in their pockets? Get it clearly. I am not talking from the angle of perfection. I am talking from the angle of the vast and overall majority of the people. In fact, Jude is being a judge on the basis of his political antecedents. He's been, see, Mike, I tell you one thing. I don't get personal issue with him, but I don't like the way they do, like saying we fit deceive everybody. You can't. The funniest part of it is that one of the messages they sent to those who they are trying to recruit got to my doorstep. Not follow us, do all this media matter. We don't need them, we know they like them, but not act, not call them misbehave. Go and do what you are supposed to do, because if you really choose to engage us in this media, we go follow you. Are you aware? In case you are not aware, let me tell you all. I have gotten a report from Abuja about Honorable Jude. Jude, when he closed from sitting, he never sits in his office. He's always running for people, being afraid of the little cover that he thinks he wants to spend. Who cares about your money? You don't have money. Use the money of the people to better the lives of the downtrodden in our society. I have received calls from more than 10 journalists just from the only video I did today. Don't be surprised. From a Monday, you see publications everywhere. Go and look at your family house. We are in Oregbeni. 90% of people in Oregbeni will never support you. You won your House of Rep not because of the fact that you got your support here. It was because of the negative sentiment people were having for Buhari. And those who supported Buhari lost the elections as a day. It's not as if you have credibility. No, we know. You don't have. The truth of the matter is, I have been keeping mute. I have been keeping quiet. But stop to cajole the people with one nonsense 25,000 naira, 30,000 naira light, with one pool. You have 13, whether you don't come up collect millions. How much is the salary of House of Representatives? Go and look at Zacchaeus Ogun. Zacchaeus Ogun is influencing road construction. Okay, you said we should not use Orogide to compare you. That is the chairman of budget. Now, Zacchaeus Ogun, a member of House of Representatives, is influencing road development in Edo Central. Forget about party affiliation. We know that Denko in himself work against the interest of Edo people. Go and check Denko performance in Ovia, a member of House of Rep as well. Go and check Patrick Isowe. In fact, the transformer that we are using in this area, as Avelia said, came from Patrick Isowe. What have you done, Judy said? What have you done? Carrying people to one room, coming out to say, we have trained, whether you are pocketing money in the name of training, you are pocketing public funds in the name of training, If you can't do it, step down, go and hustle. If you cannot do it, step down and go and hustle. Please share this video. Share this video and invite your friend. It is now time for us to begin to engage these dishonorable members. You cannot continue to stack millions and millions. At the end of the day, you come out, people now see you in the street, begin to share. You know me right from the one. Me, I not be that kind of person. When you say, where you are? On man lamb with your own kettle. I not tell you that. I for no worry again to continue. I for the watch you after that statement. Now the message is when they say, we wish you to come and join our media team to confront Usakwinokodi. To confront Usakwinokodi. I cannot be proud. I do not want to be proud. I do not want to associate myself with proudness. I am not too much. But the truth of the matter is, if now you be the threat on media, I know lock my door sleep. Let's call a spade a spade. If you think I am lying, wait, from tomorrow you will see publications coming. National dailies. National dailies. National dailies will engage you. And we're not going to spend time. You're going to spend money to refute. We're not going to spend money. What they have been waiting for is for someone in your constituency to raise the alarm. And I'm ready to raise this alarm now. You don't go commission people when they go to bring share Twitter video, Twitter message, where they do how to do liquid soap. How to do liquid soap. You buy one Sienna, buy Benz, share for a pick for your friends. You say constituency. How does your Sienna and Benz affect the interest of Mama Usapawan that is selling in Orego in the market? How does that affect Papa Jumbu that is selling in the Go market? Say Benz. I am not going to make comparison and contrast between you and anybody. But know that your performance is an abysmal performance and you have not done anything. Instead of your people to come to the online to convince us and to tell us what you have done, they are talking about Jews must go for 8 years. Who cares? But even if you go for 8 years, that is none of my business. Even if you go for 25 years, that is not my business. For as long as you are going for the 25 years, you must do what is expedient of that office as part of the paraphernalia of your office. So you go 500 million times, 100 years, 200 years, that is none of my business. If the people wish to give you the opportunity to continue, so it's fine. But on my part, my responsibility is to make sure that you do what is right. You never see operations, they hear the eye, they look you. We do like this, they look you. You will not see. You are not calling those who are abandoned. Me all of the combo, because I will not don't start with you. My brother, you now force you to work. We'll force you to work. Not be joke. He might force you. You will work by force. You know, see, people will not understand. Those of you who watch me now, will not understand. See, if they say we go PDP meeting today, Jude will sit down, we'll see each other. We're going to see each other. If we want to appeal to people, we appeal to people like Lampton to extend their gesture as a private, motivated individual. We appeal to people like Ambassador John Osaide as a near private, although not totally private because he's operating on the basis of foundation. We appeal to people like the likes of Colin Simudia that is operating on the basis of foundation. They are not using their resources in it, they are using the resources. The network was bad. So if we want to appeal to people, we appeal to those who are using their private pocket to extend gesture. Certainly not someone like you who depends on government resources to act. We say Kabuto regentamenta to anybody like you who believes that you can chakacho the overall public to satisfy your aim. Did you spend money in your election? No. So what are your excuses? What are your excuses? You did not spend money. You won the election on a platter of gold. Because majority of Edo people were angry of the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari. And those who came out under Buhari's political party lost vehemently in Edo State. It's not as if you were popular. So you will not come and say, the money I spent was too much, I have to get my money first before I start to work. You did not spend a dime. They gave you that mandate like a free mandate. Till now, Jude, what did they hold you? You are teaching people how to do soap, a liquid soap that mama, if a face say daughter can just do now, and tomorrow she begins to sell. Do something. And some people say, what have you done? Now, this is a clear message to the entire world. The great people of Edo State. No sentiment. When someone does what is right, say it. When he's doing what is wrong, say it. The question now is, if you think somebody somewhere can develop Edo for you, you are going to have a cool day in hell. You wait, and you have a cool day in hell. Can you imagine? Can someone have a cool day in hell? There cannot be a cool day in hell. So when you continue to wait, you are going to have a cool day in hell. It is time for you to stand. It is time for us all to collectively express our opinions and view. Get it clearly. I am not soliciting for perfection from this man. No. But this man thinks he's too intelligent that he can cajole everybody. You back on say, oh, we won't go. You know the talk. No, that is not. The talk is not part and parcel of the paraphernalia of your office. You know the talk. The respect is not part and parcel of what is expedient of your office to deliver. We know that the duty and responsibility of an honorable member is to perform an oversight function. But in the Nigerian context, we have what we call constituency projects. How far have you done? Or how far have you gone with your constituency project? I, for one, Usakonokodi, will be willing to take you all around to give you a classical example of what I'm talking about. If Honorable Jude can come out to show me this kind of job that I want to show you now, I will clap for him. Not when he was member of House of Assembly, we overheard that he brought one transformer when he was in House of Assembly. To date, I have not seen that transformer. I only heard about it. But this time it's no longer earmark. This time it's iMark. I want to show you a project. This project came to my constituency because of me, ably facilitated by the House of Rep member representing Oriomo Nwode Federal Constituency. Give me some minutes, please. Let me take you around to see the project. Now, just take a look at this. This project, if you look at it from the top, you see electrification, full rural electrification. From the junction down to this place. Now, this is my house. You see? You see? Just come and see. Ably facilitated by Honorable Patrick Isowie. Not be told they make noise. What have you done as a member of House of Representatives? Now this is the transformer. Just only a little passionate appeal. The man fulfilled the promise. Now let me show you. First, you see. See with your eyes. No need for noise making. You see, down to the road, full rural electrification. Now see, this is the transformer itself. 500 kVA. You can see the installation. Now we are only waiting for BEDC to give an approval, then we light up the transformer. Now see, Read this, the signboard. The presidency. You see? 4 Augustus Ikomo Street, Utako, Abuja, FCT. You see? Client, Border Communities Development Agency. Project, installation of 1,500 kVA transformer with step down at Iguamo community in the local government area of Edo State. Now, contractor, Joy Solo and General Contractors Limited, number 21, North Short Street, Wuse Zone 1, Abuja. Facilitator, Right Honorable Patrick Aisowie. Right Honorable Patrick Aisowie. I only made a single call. After we sat together, he asked me, comrade, what do you want the government to attract to your community? This is not about party. I said I needed a transformer because the one we have has been overstretched. Believe me, with immediate effect, it was approved, and that is how the transformer came into being. Now, Honorable Jude, ask him what has he achieved. And apart from this, these transformers and many more development have been attracted by Patrick Aisowie around Uhonde and Orion. We know they can't do it all alone, but what has he done? It's a question. You are showing me how to do soup oriented wash plate or kitchen. Is that our problem for now? So, as I've earlier said it, I am going to completely engage you with evidence. This time it's not our friend at the same word we know say will be the same political party. When I went to the market to buy something this morning for myself, they not tell me, say, oh, as an APC man or as a PDP man, this is your price. This is the price that we're going to sell for APC. It was the same price. When I want to buy for a police station, they not give me APC price or PDP price. It was the same price. Then what are you telling me? What are you not telling me? So I'm going back to my video. I just want to show this as an evidence. So this is no time for noise making. See, instead of you to do what is right, you are sending message. Honorable wants you to come and join media team. Media team for who? To confront us who we hear men. Honorable wants. What I need for a person like you, we must say the truth and let the truth set us all free. 1 minute, please. It's our responsibility to speak truth to power. We must do it without sentiment or favor. We must do it without sentiment or favor. Now, you've seen that. I challenge those urchins. I challenge them. Show us a befitting project of Honorable Jude. Even their family and self-grasp take over them. In young people, if you do election this minute, young people don't vote for them. Now outside that way, no know. And when it doesn't show those outside that pepper, this one I go see clear, they'll come see run from me. So we know it. We know the true situation. Very appalling. Very, very appalling. Now, I'm not here to praise Aisowie, but I'm not going to deceive anybody here. Now, just after a little misunderstanding, we are called, comrade Alpha, what did they have? The man has said, why would they get this issue wrong? Me and you never see before, comrade. Say we can't talk, we can't request as a community, we not do anything. Why you be like, why you got the day? You know, say, my brother, I'm not going to say you know the work. Me no say you the work. But the only issue when I get with you, be say, my community has not benefited from you. Because if you check the population density of the whole Uhonde, now we get the highest number of youths in Uhonde local government. How come we never see anything? Say, okay, now please go ahead and define need gap. What you think your people want now? We need two things: road and stable electricity. We don't never know every light, but we needed a transformer that can boost the power supply in my state, in my community. So now we say, okay, we will leave the road for the administration of Obaseki to fees. Make we go for the transformer. As we speak, within a twinkle of an eye, I did my house. When I receive phone call, brum, 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 brum. Who is that? Yes, it's me, an engineer. Engineer of what? Yes, your number was given to me by Honorable Patrick Aisowie in respect to a transformer. I said, it's okay, yes, that's true. Where are you now, comrade? I said, I'm in Benin. It's okay. I'll be coming to Benin soon. So okay, I said, no problem. That very day, bam, hello, comrade, I'm in Benin now. Where are you? I'm so and so place. Okay, please, can you come aside to location for us? I said, this is the location. At the pump legacy, mercy. It be like film for my eye. As we speak, it not just be say drop the transformer there. No, they bring them full electrification. You see, I just have an example. No, this is not just supplying a transformer. No, they bring up, they build them, they electrify the territory. Then they barricade down with fence for protection. It don't do you. Till now, please share this video. Click on your share and invite your friends. Share. Please share. If you have not shared, do the sharing. Share. Till now, I am pressuring the man. The man has done a lot. Forget political party. And let me tell you the funniest part. Where I respect that man reach. Now when he see and say we don't come up for the party where he did, we come up for the party, enter PDP. We follow our government, enter PDP. This man now say, oh, it's not a PDP man. When I arrested him, he executed to the last minute. To the last minute. And the Buju is from, the worker they go for street. They pack people money. What have you done? Instead of you to even change, you go to send something, when they come to talk for media. When they come out, they go to comment. If you think of he has done this, paying them 30,000 before 40,000. People like us don't need your 1 naira. Our salary is coming from Edo worldwide, not from you. So we will not be afraid to tell you, your money, I don't know if you use the F word, but your money and yourself is bullshit. As you na member of House of Representatives, now so many member of Representative Edo Diaspora Connect. So if issues they play and nothing come and come talk, they will be disappointed in me. For them to be disappointed in me, I will tell them you are the problem and you are supposed to provide the solution. We all will collectively be disappointed in you. They never tell you no. Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide. I not give myself. If the people will give me 10 million, we don't need them again. Now that day I'll say, well, don't money one. Okay, I hear. But for now, I enjoy that opportunity and I'm going to use it to do what is right. And by the power of God Almighty, if we have been able to check some of those secret spy agencies, we fit check them. You can't give us opportunity to fill a release statement. You yourself will tire. And not be only you one self. When we were doing our elections, Diaspora Connect worldwide told me clearly, we're not voting. We will support what is good. And if what is good is bad, we immediately rebuff and tell what is bad, that what you are doing now is bad. That is what we stand for. We're not the banner. We're not the banner. Only one person, not be everybody. So, Bible, I am not speaking alone. I am speaking on the basis of the fact that Edo worldwide wants the best for us all. Get it clearly. I am an imperfect human. Even me get my fuck up. Even me self not go tell you say me not see the hustle for money. I can't deceive you. But don't let your hustling overshadow the interest of the vast majority. Because this your own hustling is overshadowing the interest of the vast majority. I challenge you. Since you did House of Rep, tell me one, if you show me one person you don't empower come out for poverty, not be able to do so. If you can show me one single person When you bring come and you say, not be those two people where they follow you, I don't want to mention their name because nobody doesn't want to be House of Rep member. I don't get issue with individuals. I get issue with you, will be the honorable member. So I just want to come and say, I have been empowered because they are joining you, they are colluding with you, siphoning the collective wealth of the people. Beyond those two, show me any other person. I mean, because you buy one Benz when you not give them money to take the buy fuel. Because you buy Benz when you not give them source of livelihood to buy fuel. Is that what you call empowerment? You buy Benz for the minute they drive to go for the street. They're ready to die for you for a day in next election. Because it's not the rich time. For those who are waiting that next election is 2023, you are making a mistake. Election starts next year. While average citizen is thinking of a better future, a politician is thinking of the next election, not the future. The person when you first, one of the strongest media tycoon, where himself abandoned. When himself abandoned, and now you, because I they don't give you way, you go to call the phone. We want to see you, honorable want to see you. Which honorable? Which honorable? You are not an honorable. You are a dishonorable. Now me talk. I challenge you. Show a conspiracy project. A clear one. Show one. Now you're going to bring Twitter, one college, please. No, keep that one. Keep it. Okay. Thank you. Namo. Oya come. Go for it. Show a single constituency project. If you show them, say, yes, I am coming out to prove you wrong. This is what I have done. I will come out here openly to apologize to you. Openly. As we speak, we're merely fiangboa, apart from soup. Say, I train. Keep your training. We need training, not from you. Go and do a constituency project. Now, Abuja money will send you, you go drag home. You dey drag and put for your pocket. You never drag and give anybody. But drag into your pocket. See, Edo people, let me tell you, the job of an House of Rep or a senator is to fight from the collective wealth of the nation to ensure that that collective wealth gets to their constituencies. We have primary and secondary constituencies. Your primary constituency is your zone, while your secondary constituency is your state. Everyone, yes, as an House of Rep member from Edo State who is representing Igbo Bawaka, if they are dragging for something that will come to Edo, you all will collectively drag it. When it gets to Edo, you will drag it to your zone. But today you are dragging from Abuja to your personal pocket. They gave you vehicle, you sold it. They look for more money. More not go talk. We don't hear many things. Before we say we want start, we ready. Not go send us your things. You tell me the young man. So God knows say I be not want to make any other video. God knows. I just still make I tell you that me, you know say men the best. Not because we don't make her in the future. But you want to make her turn to full-blown onslaught. I will tell you the truth. The truth shall set us all free. I'm going to give a long notification for a massive video against Isede very soon. I want your create time for them. I know they two get chance, but even say I don't time in the evening, by 8, 9, 10, I'll see come out, come talk to you. You yourself will wake up. As we speak, if you are not aware, let me tell you now, he's watching. I never do that one in the morning. He don't call people here and there. And I know who and who he call. Mona, stop these secret callings. Go and do your work. Nobody have no right whatsoever to discuss about your private life. I can't try that. I don't have that right. But you see this public life and public resources will be on. We'll follow you. We will follow you, not be lie, I tell you. We'll follow you where? Nemo. Come. We'll follow you where? That's the truth. That is the simple truth. We don't make that mistake. Say, we'll leave for that one. You even made a big mistake to go to send them when they go to write story will not be true. Go to bring soup from Twitter. They say Honorable G did this one. Now Twitter I want it. Now Twitter I do people want better, I do people laugh. Or how to do soup or the street last week that 25,000 3 400,000. Then you get one free. Another one. You be PDP, I be PDP. But you know the work. You know the work. You are a disgrace to PDP. You know the work. Not everybody deceive you. Say that they feel that people when they tell you say, oh no, Jude. I know what they call you honorable. Jude. Now the Kalumba where they get for your hand. Go street, go check. Everybody hates you. Everybody. Go to your street. If you think it's a joke, I will sample opinion for put for life. I go enter street. Oreg to be precise. Maybe they ask the question. You say, not go follow me do one. I know what I tell you. Not do one, you go hide. As you also really hide the thief of money. Hide. Not go say media thing. You hate. Not push me. Go to continue. Not you push me to continue. You go hey. We'll carry media go the street, your zone, near your house, your families. We'll go ask the question about you. Your family will talk. You'll know say everybody abandon you because they know you. And not even talk say the constituency alone. Your family said that affect is on you. Not them. Because they know you are not performing. You dey run for the people who vote you. You are hiding. I tell them, they're not here. As me, I'm not expecting anything from you. Nothing. In fact, I be your opposition. You know, nothing. So I not get it to say, hey, man, never talk. And me, not be like, say, I can't go block my way. I don't care, man. This kind of thing, would you tell anybody anything? You know why would you tell anybody? Because none of you, they pay my salary. My salary is coming from Edo Worldwide, not from you. So you will not pay me. I know if you come out now and talk, say, nobody will feed me. People feed me. Yes, I can. I not get that right again. You know, those who will say, come on, now you they feed me. No, I know if you talk about now. Now I don't people they feed me. Certainly not you. My work is coming from around the world, not from you. So I don't care about you, man. I should be able to tell you the truth. And the truth shall set us all free. I just want to make this 3 o'clock video. I'm having an appointment any moment from now. I want to engage with our brother, our friend. I don't want to mention his name here. But when we are together, maybe a video will come out with a video. Nemo! Give me. Go, clap for yourself. So that is that in that regard. So I want to say a very big thank you. It's me, your brother. You want to see? This is my third guy. Body the odds way. It's okay, Nemo. So that is it. Let me just call it a day now. I'm a sack winner of Woody. I think this young man needs an attention. Bye for now, and later in the day we're going to discuss. I'm going to give a long notice in respect to Honorable Jody said in our next video. If he continue in his old man rascality, we are going to unleash more details owing to the fact that we already have evidence before we started our onslaught, media onslaught against his office. And sorry to say, by Monday you will see publications. I just want to notify him so it will not be a news. Publications are coming on that way. I'm not paying £1. Now from Abuja, all of them won't come in. They know you there. Now from Abuja, all the publications won't come. You go here now. You go here. Don't go and not going to get issue with people you know say they know you well. So you need to be careful. That's why you see me so. I did very careful. I not the one get issue with anybody. because all manner with your own kettle. So now go to commission urchins, may they come and connect or you give them 30,000 naira. Later, after your 4 years, they'll go and go to cry. No. Thank God for our life. And thank God for Edo people for where they take command, stand tall, and to as well give us assistance. As we speak today, we are benefiting from the public wealth of Edo people around the world, who is giving us their job to do. So I only owe them my allegiance, not you. Not you. If these people in the world tell me so we are no longer happy with what is happening, oh yes, this is how we are going to go. We'll go there. Voice populi, voice the he. The voice of the people is the voice of God. If the people talk, that will go follow. We know if we follow.